Hey everybody, welcome to my studio. So I want to do a quick video just to introduce myself and my studio to you and explain why I have a YouTube channel. Well, first of all, my name is Mike Patterson. This is Patterson Photography, otherwise known as First Choice Photo. They're two different businesses. I have a photo studio here in Southern Alberta, Canada. My studio is located in Lethbridge, Alberta. It has everything that I want in it: a shooting room, waiting room, printing department, framing department, and my office. It may not be the biggest studio in the world, but it works perfectly for what I want. I've been doing photography since 1985. So I've been taking pictures longer than many of the so-called experts on YouTube and Instagram that are promoting photography have even been alive. I don't promote a brand. I don't promote a company. I am here to give you real world information to help your photography get better. So why did I start this channel? Well, it came to this. Back in 2020, when we were in lockdown because of COVID, I started doing some research online and saw all the garbage that was being put out there by these so-called experts. These experts who live in their parents' basement and they do videos on anything from photography to souping up your car to food preparation. They're not experts. They're just there to make money on YouTube. And it really upset me seeing some of the information, some of the garbage that they were promoting. Things like you need to go out and buy yourself a new camera if you want any pictures in focus. Things like mirrorless cameras are the only way to go. If you don't have a mirrorless camera, you're not a real photographer. Well, I can tell you, I don't have the world's most up-to-date equipment by any means because I don't need it. The equipment I have works and it works well. So I decided to start this channel to help you get the most out of the equipment that you have and to get the most out of the photography that you do. It's for everybody, this channel. It's for the people who take pictures of their family. It's for people who take pictures when they're out hiking or biking or canoeing or kayaking. It's for people that are trying to sell their pictures, whether it be nature and wildlife or whether you're starting a studio business. This channel is for you. And I will give you the best information that I have without loading it up with the garbage that I see on other channels. I'm not going to sell you something unless you actually need to go out and buy it. As an example, if you want to do astrophotography and you don't have a tripod, I'll tell you, go out and get a tripod. But if you want to do astrophotography and you have a cheap tripod, I'll tell you, try it with that. See if you like it. See if it's even worth buying a better tripod. I'm not going to sell you stuff that you don't need. Or am I going to lie to you about how to do things? So I hope you enjoy this channel. Stick around. Click on the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel and drop by whenever you have a chance for a new video. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and get out there and take some amazing pictures. Bye-bye now.